job. You want to do it again? Oh, now we're going to go to this one. Can you climb in there? You want to try this one again? Okay, hang on. You ready? Hold on. Hold on, are you ready? You don't want that one? Okay. You want to go to the swing? Or you want to go to the slide again? Okay, here we go. Those darn shoes. Here we go. Okay. Is there still something in there? There we go. Okay, there you go. No? Where are you going? You want to try this one again? I didn't think you liked this one. Hang on. Here, you want to try the bumblebee? You want to try the bee? Hold on right here. You ready? Hold on. Yay! Woo! Hey!
What is that thing, Kaylin?
Kaylin, is that a grasshopper?
Is that a grasshopper?
Is that a grasshopper?
We haven't seen many grasshoppers.
What's this? Is this a snail? Woo! Here we go. Hang on.
Jeez.
Wow! Yay! Okay, you had enough of the snail? Okay. What's next? Oh, that's not